So next thing, good morning students. Today we will discuss dielectrics. Today we will discuss dielectrics. Where we are using dielectrics in practical life. First of all, what are dielectrics? Let us see. Dielectrics. So today we will discuss dielectrics. Where exactly we are using dielectrics? कहाँ पे use करते हैं dielectrics? Dielectrics are the insulating substances. They don't have charge carriers. Okay. Dielectrics are non-conducting substances or insulators and they have no charge carriers. Dielectrics are the insulating substances. They don't have charge carriers. You know insulators. Insulators are does not carry any charge. They conduct electricity or does not conduct. Does not conduct electricity. Here dielectrics are also insulators. They don't have any charge carriers. Example, mica, ceramics. Many things are there. Mica, ceramics, etc. These all are examples for dielectrics in our daily life where we are using dielectrics. In the case of capacitor, these dielectric substances we are using in a device capacitor. ये ऐसे dielectrics हम हमारे daily life में capacitor में use करते हैं. Because of presence of dielectric, electric field is reduced. Dielectric use करने से electric field क्या होते हैं? Reduce होते हैं. Always remember one thing. What is the effect of dielectric on electric field? Moment when you introduce a dielectrics, what happens to electric field? Whether increases, decreases or remains same. And we can say by introducing dielectrics, electric field is get reduced because they are insulating materials. Basic property क्या है? वो कैसे है? They don't have any charge carriers. They are non-conducting substances. Dielectrics are non-conducting substances or insulators and they have no charge carrier. That's why by introducing dielectrics, electric field get reduced and this kind of property we are using in capacitors. Capacitors makes use of dielectrics. We will see in our coming classes. Example for dielectrics, mica, ceramics. How many types of dielectrics are there? How many types of dielectrics are there? There are two types of dielectrics, polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. Overall we have two types of dielectrics. One is polar dielectrics, another one is non-polar dielectrics. Polar dielectrics makes use of polar molecules and non-polar dielectrics makes use of non-polar molecules. What is polar molecule? Centers of positive and negative charges are well separated. They are polar molecules. Non-polar molecules, centers of positive and negative charge coincide. So, what are polar dielectrics? The dielectrics which are made up of polar molecules. Dielectrics किससे बने से रहते हैं? Polar molecules से बने से रहते. तो वैसे dielectrics को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Polar dielectrics. Example, water, HCl, etc. Here water means we can take pure water. Pure water only we can consider it as a dielectric substance. Water, HCl, etc. We have one H plus, Cl minus, H2O, H2 plus and O minus. Let us see here plus and minus separated by small distance. That's why they possess permanent electric dipole moment. Polar molecules, their separation is there. There must be a separation between plus and minus. That's what we call dipole. That's why we can say polar molecules possess permanent electric dipole moment. वो permanent electric dipole moment है. Whether in presence of electric field or in absence of electric field, always we can say polar molecules possess permanent electric dipole moment. Now you can see the picture for HCl, H plus, Cl minus. The centers of positive and negative charge are separated by small distance and the direction of dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge. This is in the case of HCl. Now you can see in the case of H2, H2 plus, O minus. ये O minus है, H plus है separated by a small distance and the direction of dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge. And polar molecules always possess permanent dipole moment. Permanent means O E value 0 रहते भी रहते, electric field present or in absence, always they possess permanent dipole moment. Now come to non-polar dielectrics. What are non-polar dielectrics? The dielectrics which are made up of non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules means plus and minus they coincide. A plus है minus है. Center of plus and minus they are coincide. Previously they are separated. This is plus, this is minus. They are separated. अब क्या होते हैं? कोइंसाइड होते हैं. पहले क्या होते थे? देखो इधर A plus, A minus. This is plus, this is minus, they are separated in the case of polar molecules. Now in the case of non-polar molecules, this is plus and this is minus. They are coinciding. Plus coincide, plus minus coincide. There is no separation. You can see the picture. This is plus, this is minus. Centers of plus and minus charge coincide. Centers of positive and negative charge coincides. That's why there is no separation. When there is no separation, dipole moment is also zero. Here how much is the dipole moment? Zero. This thing is possible in the absence of electric field. ये जो बात कर रहे हैं हम, that is in the absence of electric field, non-polar dielectrics or non-polar molecules, they possess dipole moment is zero. They does not have any dipole moment because centers of positive and negative charge, they are coinciding. That's why their dipole moment is zero. This thing we are saying in absence of electric field. For H2, this is plus, this is plus. Moment when you fold it, इसको fold करो. Then plus coincide. Right now we are showing like this. But moment when you fold it, this centers of positive of H, they will coincide like this. इसको fold करें तो coincide होते हैं. Centers of plus will coincide. Now come to CO2, C plus, O minus. इसको fold करो. Moment when you fold this O, all centers of carbon, centers of O minus and O minus, all they will coincide, and hence we can say dipole moment is zero. Right now we are showing like this, but moment when you fold करे तो centers of positive and negative charge coincide, centers of plus coincide. That's why dipole moment is zero. Here there is no separation. That's why dipole moment is zero. These all things we are saying in absence of electric field. Electric field नहीं रहे तो ऐसा होता है. Examples: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. These all are the examples for non-polar dielectrics. Even you can take CO2 also. These all are the example for non-polar dielectrics which are made up of non-polar molecules. Here centers are coinciding. Okay, that's why we can say no permanent electric dipole moment. इनके पास permanent dipole moment नहीं है. The dipole moments are induced moment when you kept these dielectrics in electric field. In absence of electric field, dipole moment is zero. In absence of electric field, dipole moment is zero. Moment when you kept non-polar dielectrics in the presence of electric field, dipole moments are get induced. पहले dipole moment नहीं थे. Moment when you kept non-polar dielectrics in the presence of electric field, dipole moments are get induced, get generated. See, no permanent electric dipole moment. No permanent. पहले नहीं थे. Moment when you kept these non-polar dielectrics in the presence of electric field, then dipole moment is there. This means previously they are coinciding, now they are separated. पहले क्या थे? प्लस सेंटर्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्जेस क्या थे? कोइंसाइड थे. अब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखने के बाद वो सेंटर्स क्या हुए? सेपरेटेड हुए. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. नो परमानेंट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट. Because in previous cases, polar molecules, we said permanent dipole moment. Now in this case, we can't say no permanent dipole moment. We can say induced dipole moment. Which word we can use? Induced dipole moment. यहाँ पे कौन सा word use कर सकते हैं हम? Induced dipole moment. Because the dipole moments induced because of external electric field. Whatever dipole moments are there, they are induced because of external dipole moment. Moment when we kept non-polar dielectrics in external electric field, at the time dipole moments are generated. That's why name we are saying induced dipole moment. Okay, non-polar molecule develops an induced dipole moment. The dielectric is said to be polarized by the external electric field. Polarized means one-sidedness. What is the dictionary meaning of polarized? One-sidedness. All plus one side, all minus one side. Usually the positive charges shift towards in a direction of electric field. Negative charges shift against the direction of electric field. Always remember, plus जो है हमेशा positive charges shift होते in the direction of electric field. Negative charges कैसे shift होते against the direction of electric field. We can see in our coming diagram. The induced dipole moments of different molecules add up and giving a net dipole moment of the dielectric in presence of electric field. Previously, dipole moment is zero in the absence of electric field. In the absence of electric field, dipole moment is zero. As soon as you introduce these non-polar dielectrics in the presence of electric field, we can say the induced dipole moments of different molecules add up, giving a net dipole moment of the dielectric in presence of electric field. सब एक एक डाइपोल मॉलिक्यूल जो है डाइपोल मोमेंट ऐड होके आपको नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट देते हैं. एक एक डाइपोल मोमेंट ऐड होके आपको क्या देते हैं? नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट. The induced dipole moments of different molecules add up, giving a net dipole moment of the dielectric in the presence of electric field. Okay, that's what we are saying. You see figure A for polar molecules, you see figure B for polar molecules. Figure A for polar molecules, figure B for non-polar molecules. Okay, first I will explain this thing. In absence of electric field, what is meant by E value 0? In absence of electric field, ये absence है. In absence of electric field, this is absence of E. In absence of electric field, what happens? In absence of electric field, what happens? Permanent dipoles are randomly oriented and total dipole moment of dielectric is 0. In absence of electric field, this is the case we are discussing for polar molecules. Polar molecules में क्या होते हैं? Electric field मत लो. First you will say E value is 0. When you say E value is 0, when there is no electric field, what is the nature of polar molecules? Polar molecules in absence of electric field. Polar molecules in absence of electric field, we can say permanent dipoles are randomly oriented. Why we say random? Plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus minus plus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus. Here plus minus are particularly oriented or randomly oriented. Randomly oriented in absence of electric field in the case of polar molecules, and hence total dipole moment of dielectric is 0. Here in absence of electric field in the case of polar molecules, net dipole moment or total dipole moment of dielectric is 0. कब होता? If E value is 0. Now you want to say all plus one side, all minus one side, then we can say polar molecules are polarized. हम क्या बोलना? Polarized मतलब क्या है? When you can say dielectric is polarized, when you can say dielectric is polarized, all positive charges one side, all negative charges one side. Usually you consider one point, all plus will be towards your right side, all minus will be towards your left side. You remember one point, all positive charges in the case of dipole are shifted right side, all negative charges will be shifted left side when electric field is applied. Now here say E is not equal to 0 means presence of electric field. Presence of electric field in the case of polar molecules, what happens? Minus minus one side, plus plus one side, minus minus. Now randomly or particular orientation. Now you can say dipole molecules are oriented. Now you can say dipole molecules are oriented in the presence of electric field. In the presence of electric field, dipole molecules are oriented means एक particular systematic है. पोलराइज्ड है. पोलराइज बोले तो एक तरफ का है. वन साइडेडनेस. ऑल माइनस वन साइड, ऑल प्लस वन साइड. यू कैन सी द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस. यहाँ पे देखो रैंडमली ओरिएंटेड है. इन दिस डायग्राम रैंडमली ओरिएंटेड इन एब्सेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, बट सेम थिंग इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. लॉट ऑफ इफेक्ट इज देयर. ऑल माइनस वन साइड, ऑल प्लस वन साइड, एंड हेंस वी कैन से डाइलेक्ट्रिक इज सेड टू बी पोलराइज्ड. Now come to the individual dipole moments adds up and give a net dipole moment in the direction of E. In this case, what happens? This molecule has one dipole moment. This has another dipole moment. All dipole moments added up, and that gives net dipole moment. That is the direction of electric field. यहाँ पे पूरे डाइपोल मोमेंट एक 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 ऐड होते हैं. ऐड होने के बाद आपको एक नेट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट देते हैं, whose direction is in the direction of electric field. Whatever net dipole moment you are getting, whose direction is in the direction of electric field. The individual dipole moments adds up and gives a net dipole moment in the direction of electric field. This thing happens in the case of polar molecules. Now come to non-polar molecules. In non-polar molecules, in the absence of electric field, in the absence of electric field, what happens? The centers of plus and minus coincide. Plus and minus coincide. Any separation or no separation? No separation. And hence dipole moment is how much? 0. In the case of non-polar molecules, when you taken E value 0 means in the absence of electric field, centers of positive and negative charge coincide, hence dipole moment is 0. Plus minus coincide, plus minus coincide, plus minus coincide. They are not separated and hence their dipole moment is 0. This thing happens in the absence of electric field. Moment when you apply electric field, in the presence of electric field, what happens? The centers of positive and negative charges are shifted. ये सेंटर्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्जेस क्या होते, शिफ्ट होते बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ऑल सेंटर्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्जेस शिफ्टेड इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ऑल नेगेटिव चार्जेस सेंटर शिफ्टेड अगेन एज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. दैट्स व्हाट प्रीवियसली आई सेड. Moment when you apply the electric field for non-polar molecules, previously they are coinciding, plus minus coinciding. Now these plus minus are separated. ये plus minus क्या होते, ये है plus minus, ये E value 0 है. Moment when you apply E value not equal to 0 in presence of electric field, this minus and this plus well separated. Centers of positive and negative charges well separated. The center of the positive charge is in the direction of electric field and the center of negative charge is again as the direction of electric field. Moment when you apply electric field for non-polar molecules, plus minus centers will be well separated. This means the centers of positive charge shifted towards the direction of electric field. The center of negative charge shifted again as the direction of electric field. Then finally we achieved dielectric polarization. Finally we achieved dielectric polarization. All minus one side, all minus one side, all minus one side, all plus one side, all plus one side, all plus one side. This thing happens in the case of non-polar molecules. So finally this has one induced dipole moment. Induced, here we are using induced. They don't have permanent dipole moment. Now they are induced. That is because of electric field. पहले उनके पास नहीं थे, अब उनके पास dipole moment induce हो गए, generate हो गए. That is because of electric field. The induced dipole moments of different molecules adds up and giving a net dipole moment of dielectric in presence of electric field. Whatever dipole moments are there, these molecules, they will add up. Previously they don't have, now we can say induced dipole moment, they will add up and they will give net dipole moment in the direction of electric field. जो भी नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट यहाँ पे एक है, डाइपोल मोमेंट यहाँ पे एक है, डाइपोल मोमेंट, वो सब डाइपोल मोमेंट ऐड होके दैट गिव्स फाइनली नेट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट दैट इज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. दैट्स व्हाट वी कैन सी द पॉइंट. द इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल मोमेंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स ऐड अप एंड गिविंग ए नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. नाउ फाइनली आफ्टर सीइंग फिगर ए एंड फिगर बी, व्हाट कंक्लूजन वी कैन ड्रॉ. फिगर ए फिगर बी देखने के बाद क्या कंक्लूजन देखें. Whether it is a polar or non-polar molecules, when we apply electric field, then dielectric is said to be polarized. So polar molecule रहने दो, non-polar molecule रहने दो. Moment when you apply external electric field, then dielectric is said to be polarized. When we can say dielectric is said to be polarized? When we keep this polar or non-polar dielectrics in presence of external electric field, all plus one side, all minus one side. All plus one side, all minus one side, then we can say dielectric is said to be polarized. This is the polarization of dielectric. We have an important definition, you can see electric polarization, that is denoted by P vector. Electric polarization, that is denoted by P vector. What is its definition? The dipole moment that developed per unit volume of the dielectric when placed in an external electric field. कौन से भी डाइलेक्ट्रिक को एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के इसमें रखे तो वहां पे डाइपोल मोमेंट डेवलप होता. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक पोलराइजेशन. द डाइपोल मोमेंट दैट डेवलप्ड पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक व्हेन प्लेस्ड इन एन एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. फार्मूला P is equal to dipole moment of dielectric divided by volume of dielectric. What is electric polarization? The dipole moment that developed per unit volume of the dielectric when placed in an external electric field. एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक को एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर रखे तो हमारे को डाइपोल मोमेंट डेवलप होता पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. दिस थिंग ओनली वी कॉल इलेक्ट्रिक पोलराइजेशन. सिंबल इज P vector. What is the mathematical expression? P is equal to dipole moment of dielectric divided by volume of dielectric. Very simple thing. Whenever we kept dielectric in presence of external electric field, there will be a dipole moment, there will be a induced dipole moment, there will be a developed dipole moment per unit volume. This thing only we call electric polarization. Mathematically we can say dipole moment of dielectric divided by volume of dielectric. Dipole moment of dielectric divided by volume of dielectric. For linear isotropic dielectrics, what is meant by linear isotropic dielectrics? Linear isotropic dielectrics means whatever dipole moments are induced, their direction is in the direction of electric field. जो भी dipole moment induce हुए उनके डायरेक्शन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के डायरेक्शन में रहना, वैसे अरेंजमेंट को क्या बोलते हैं? लीनियर आइसोट्रोपिक डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स. Once again listen, linear isotropic dielectrics means the induced dipole moments, their direction is in the direction of electric field and they depend upon strength of the electric field. कितने dipole moment है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? E के ऊपर डिपेंड है. That's why P is proportional to E vector. What is P? Electric polarization. This electric polarization is proportional to E. What is E? Electric field, or P vector is equal to xi E vector. How to read this one? Xi E into E vector. This P is electric polarization, this is E. How they are proportional? Directly proportional. This P vector is equal to xi into E, where xi is the electric susceptibility of the dielectric medium. What is xi? Xi is the electric susceptibility of the dielectric medium. Very simple. First of all, this is 1 mark question. It is there in NCERT. ये 1 marks के लिए पूछ सकते हैं. How? What is meant by electric polarization? What is another meaning? Dielectric polarization भी बोल सकते हैं. इसका दूसरा नाम क्या है? Dielectric polarization. Dielectric polarization. What is its alternate name? Dielectric polarization or electric polarization. So the dipole moment that developed per unit volume when you kept the dielectric in external electric field. कौन से भी डाइलेक्ट्रिक को एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखे तो उसके ऊपर डाइपोल मोमेंट डेवलप होते हैं. डाइपोल मोमेंट डेवलप्ड पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम वी कॉल इलेक्ट्रिक पोलराइजेशन और डाइलेक्ट्रिक polarization. What is mathematical expression? This is mathematical expression. Linear isotropic dielectrics. Whatever dipole moments are developed, their direction is in the same direction of electric field. Dipole moment के डायरेक्शन और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के डायरेक्शन सेम रहे तो वैसे सब्सटेंस को, वैसे डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Linear isotropic dielectrics. In the case of linear isotropic dielectrics, P is proportional to E vector. What is P? Dielectric polarization. That is proportional to strength of the electric field E. P is equal to xi E. How to pronounce this one? ये symbol को कैसा बोलना? Xi E into E vector, where xi E is electric susceptibility of the dielectric medium. This is the characteristic property of dielectrics. What is xi E? Characteristic property of the dielectrics we call electric susceptibility of the dielectric medium. This is what xi indicates how much current flows through the dielectrics. Minute current flows. ये कौन सा characteristics है? Because dielectrics conducts very small amount of charge carriers. Very minute, minority बोल सकते हैं. Minority charge carriers. ये डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स में क्या हम इंसुलेटिंग बोले तो बहुत माइन्यूट करंट पास होते हैं. वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रॉपर्टी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? xi इलेक्ट्रिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम. इलेक्ट्रिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल इलेक्ट्रिक पोलराइजेशन. यू सी इट केयरफुली. Now what happens in absence of dielectric? What happens in presence of dielectrics? Let us see. See, this is electric field. Let us see 25 Newton per Coulomb. Let us say 100 Newton per Coulomb in absence of dielectric. Now, in presence of dielectric, our E value will be more than 100 or less than 100 or remain same. पहले डाइलेक्ट्रिक नहीं थे, वहां पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना था 100 न्यूटन पर कूलम. मोमेंट एंड यू टेक डाइलेक्ट्रिक इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक at that time electric field will be more than 100, less than 100 or remain same. Definitely the electric field will be get reduced. It is less than 100 Newton per coulomb. You see these two diagrams. In absence of dielectric, let us say electric field is 100 Newton per coulomb. In absence of dielectric, let us say electric field is 100 Newton per coulomb. In presence of dielectric, electric field is more than 100 Newton per coulomb or less than 100 Newton per coulomb. Definitely it will be less than 100 Newton per coulomb. This means dielectric reduces the electric field. What conclusion we can say? We can say one conclusion, डाइलेक्ट्रिक नहीं रहने से पहले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो था कैपिटल ई, डाइलेक्ट्रिक रहने के बाद कैपिटल ई क्या होता, रेड्यूस होता. व्हाट कंक्लूजन वी कैन से? बिफोर इन एब्सेंस ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक व्हाट एवर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज देयर कैपिटल ई, व्हेन यू इंट्रोड्यूस द डाइलेक्ट्रिक आवर कैपिटल ई विल बी गेट reduced. That thing we can say. Finally we can say because of introducing the dielectric, electric field get reduced. This property only we are using in the capacitors. यही property हम capacitors में use कर रहे हैं. Okay, see it.